In this video, we're going to do writing the standard form of a circle. Now, the standard form of an equation of a circle with radius r and center hk is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. The instructions are the following. Write the standard form of the equation and the general form of the equation of each circle of radius r and center hk. Graph each circle. Now, I will only do the general form for one of them, and I'll only graph one of the circles, but I will do the standard form of each one of them. Okay, so let's start with this one. R equals 2 and H equals 0, 0. Now first, understand that for the standard form, you substitute H and K, you do not substitute X and Y. Okay, so for this one, it's going to be X minus H is 0, so X minus 0 squared plus Y minus K is 0 as well, so 0 squared equals, the radius is 2, so 2 squared. Now, in order to simplify this, well, what's X minus 0? X minus 0 is X, so this is X squared. Y minus 0 is Y, so this is Y squared. And 2 squared is 4. Now, to graph this circle, the center of the circle is 0, 0, which is the origin. The radius is 2, so it's 2 up, 2 left, 2 to the right, and 2 down. And then connect the dots. Okay? And that will be your standard form, which is also in this example the general form. Actually, to move it to the general form, you just have to subtract 4 and equal it to 0. But I will leave it like that. Now for the other two, this one is a little different. It has different numbers. It's not 0, 0 anymore. So it's going to be X minus H, H is 4, squared plus Y minus negative 3 squared equals R squared, which is 5 squared. So you have X minus 4 squared. Now minus and minus becomes plus, so Y plus 3 squared equals 25. Now I did say I wasn't gonna graph it, but given that it's it's already here, X minus 4 and Y plus 3. Well, the center is 4, so 4 in X, and then negative 3 in Y, so it's right here. The radius is 5, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down. And then you trace the circle. Okay. And that will be the graph of this one. Now, in order to make it a general form, okay, you do have to expand or FOIL. Okay, so X minus 4 squared is X minus 4 times X minus 4. And then Y plus 3 squared is Y plus 3 times Y plus 3 equals 25. So you have X times X is X squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4X. Negative 4 times X is negative 4X. Negative 4 times negative 4 is plus 4 times 4 is 16. The same thing with Y. Y times Y is Y squared. Y times 3 is 3Y. 3 times Y is 3Y. And then 3 times 3 is 9 equals 25. Simplify like terms. Negative 4x minus 4x is negative 8x plus 16 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 25. We bring the 25 over and we add like terms. You have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 minus 20, so it's 25 minus 25 equal to 0. X squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y plus 0 equals 0. This one right here is the general form. So this one is the general. This one right here is the standard form. Okay? So depending on what I ask in class, you either do the general or the standard. Okay? Now let me, some technical difficulties here. Oh, okay, perfect. So let's do now our third example, which has a fraction. That's why I wanted to do it. Okay? So it's gonna be, again, x minus h. H is 1/2, so x minus 1/2 squared plus y minus k, which is 0, so 0 squared, equals r squared, which is 1/2 squared. Again, you have x minus 1/2 squared plus y minus 0 is y, so y squared equals 1/2 squared. What's 1/2 squared? Well, it's 1/2 times 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. And this is the standard form. Okay? Now the general form, you will have to expand it, okay, or FOIL. So I'm gonna leave that to you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or ask me in class. Thank you.